after you apply the chromes. I just applied the chromes earlier. If you miss it, I just applied the top coat here for 15 seconds and apply this chromes on. Then now I put the matte top coat on, so then I can able to do fusioning. So this time I am going to choose these two colors, Delight and Passionate. Also, you can do maybe Calming is good too. So however colors you prefer, I think they will look good no matter what. Whatever colors you chose, like you choose, it's gonna be really cute. I'm gonna get piece of papers here because we wanna place with our fusioning. You know what? It's gonna be cool though. I will do two of them at the same time. I will do one with the matte top coat, no chromes, the other with chromes and matte top coat. What do you think? Should I? So then you can see the difference, like you can compare the different. I'm gonna move the papers a little bit down because then no one can see it. Hi Sharon. Let me see. Oh, nice. All right, it looks metallic. Bam.
Very faint light. This should be fun.
It's gonna be fun. It's gonna make it looks like It's gonna make it looks like metallic look. All right, so I'm gonna hold both of them at the same time. How about that? So, hi Sonia, thanks so much. You miss April. Yes, do both. All right, April. I'm gonna using first. Ah, okay, got it. So first color I am going to apply on is number 3, Delight. This one is getting in my way. Okay, ready? Where's the fur? Oh, it looks cool. Nice, okay.
Oh.
It's looking metallic, huh?
Yeah, but the moment you dab it on though, the underneath is just no. That one should be fun.
Okay, this is all. That's all done. That'll be awesome.
Interesting how
This look like a gold.
it is, but like you're really wondering how the chrome gonna be.
It looks cool though.
Like in the end. So keep moving.
So is this one wet? I'm gonna wait for just seconds. And at the next one's gonna be is Passionate number 1. Go back again.
Let me this way. So I can see more of the nails.
Great. Next ones I am going to using number 2, Calming. Hi Maya. Thank you so much for ladies for inviting all our Glitz girls. So Calming, or you can do Feeling Blue. It's gonna be cool. Okay. I'm like
super purple.
I'm curious about this looks gonna be. All right. So now I am going to using Crystal Clear. Hey Fire, goodness, how are you? I love, hello, I love, how are you? So now it's set. You see that it's not like a wet look anymore. Looks a matte. So I'm going to use only I need. I don't need any other brush or anything else at all. It's crystal clear. That's the way to go. And I just need a little bit on the brush. That's it. You don't want a whole lot. Right. And then if you want to create the veins, just work it from the outside into inside in the center. Wipe it off first on a piece of paper on the side so then you won't contaminating all of the colors. And continue to work until you like the look of your veins. I like this one, look. Great, so I'm gonna move to the next one. I need to get this one a little bit more defined right here.
Good.
Yeah. Next one, I am going to work on this chrome nails. Wipe it up on the piece of paper before you dab your brush back in, like dip it into crystal clear. I just want the vein to be more defined, so then you're doing that. Great. So now I am going to using Done with this too. Look, it looks cool though. Wait until a top coat on. It's gonna look so cool. I'm using a gel painting with precision brush in black. Hold on. I just want to add a little bit of the black vein on it to make it more defined. It doesn't have to be perfect and it has to line up with the veins. Just make it looks natural looks. All right, so I have two of this. I am going to cure it for 30-second flash cure, and then I will do the golden touch on it. Both of them flash cure 30 seconds. I have my golden touch right here on my side. I like that. I like to do two of them so then you get an idea of what you like. And then so now what you like to be in that two nails. Do you want to see the butterflies with crystals, or do you want to see what is she doing, crystal placement? It's gonna be cool, like do two of them at the same time. That's so awesome. Can you see it?
Yeah.
Oh, the gold looks really good. Oh, you know what?
People want crystal.
The next one?
I guess on this one, or maybe next one.
This one I should do a chamfer foil. What do you think?
Or sticker.
Chamfer foil veins. Yeah. I'll cure this for 30 seconds.
Okay. Apply that.
And I will using that. So then you have a two different looks, so then you can choose which one you like, you know? Okay, so I'm gonna use this one. And here you go, my chamfer foil gel on the side. Just drop one drop. This I'm using a premium's eye hole chamfer foil. Facebook can't really see it. Just drop one drop. And I'm gonna using twin tip brush and draw these veins like along with the black line. All right, cue for 30 seconds. Oh, this one is cool. Just keeping those like put whole entire thing in there. I have the crystals and butterflies. I want a vibrant one. So many to choose from. Can you choose me one? Let me get me one.
Just put a go for first.
Okay, let's do next one. Let's see this how this one turned out with the gold foil. Sorry, can I move this so it doesn't look too cluttery on our background?
Let's start rubbing.
Rub firmly. Basically, you don't have to do much because it does do. You can see the creases like, and then it coming up right here.